Audiobooks are booming. Are you ready to bring your story to life through sound and reach a massive audience? At Publishing Spot, our professional audiobook production services transform your manuscript into an immersive, retail-ready audio experience. Let's explore our packages. The Basic package is perfect for authors who already have recorded audio. We professionally edit, remove background noise, master to ACX specifications, format your credits, one revision, and deliver retail-ready files. Need more support? Our standard package includes full audio editing, formatting, and complete publishing setup. We resize your cover, optimize metadata, write your retail description, and publish directly to ACX and Findaway Voices. For the ultimate done-for-you experience, choose our premium package. We build your audiobook entirely from scratch. You receive a personal project manager, audition samples, and professional narration for up to 50,000 words. We handle all editing, mastering, and global distribution setup. Plus, you get 14 days of post-launch email support. How does the process work? Step 1. Choose your package or book a free Zoom consultation with us. Step 2. Receive instructions. We guide you seamlessly through submitting your manuscript or existing audio files. Step 3. Production begins. We cast your perfect narrator, or dive straight into cleaning and mastering existing audio. Step 4. Formatting and setup. We configure your credits, optimize metadata, and prepare everything for global platforms. Step 5. Final review. You approve the final preview. Once confirmed, we push your audiobook live worldwide. Transform your book into an immersive audio experience. Choose your package today, and let's bring your story to life.